Praise be to Jesus. The Vatican forbids communion for Protestants in Germany. The Congregation for the Doctrine of the Faith has rejected the plan of the German bishops to allow Protestants to receive Holy Communion, reports Cap.net, April 18th. The bishops voted in February by a large majority in favor of the sacrilege. However, 7 bishops questioned the decision in the Vatican. Now the congregation rejected the German idea with the approval of Pope Francis. The negative decision is already sent to the German bishops. This is a major blow to Munich Cardinal Reinhard Marx, the president of the Bishops' Conference and a member of Pope Francis's Council of Cardinals. So there's some good news. Well, that's a complete article, but if you want to look at it, here's the link here, and it'll be in the description box.